Hi, I'm Steve Kepler with Clarios and OPTIMA batteries. I'm a competitor in the OPTIMA search for the streetcar challenge. And, I not only help to sell OPTIMA batteries, but also live the brand and what the brand is trying to represent in the automotive aftermarket space. I'm here with my 2013 GTR. It's qualified for the Streetcar Challenge at the end of the SEMA show out at Las Vegas Motor Speedway this weekend. So Saturday and Sunday we'll be racing this car out there in the OPTIMA Streetcar event. I've got 800 horsepower built into this thing. We've upgraded the transmission significantly because it's broken a couple times. Almost every part on this car has been touched except the doors and the roof and the rear quarters, but practically every other part on this car has been touched. The motor's been out of it multiple times, upgrading internal motor parts. We put a lot of carbon fiber on it, so if you look around the car, you'll see the hood is carbon fiber, the trunk is carbon fiber, the wing on the back is carbon fiber. And then from an audio standpoint, we changed out the entire audio system for the design and engineering component of the Streetcar Challenge to add a little bit of bling. So I've got some infinity mirrors in the doors. I've actually mounted an iPad in the dash that I run the GoPro cameras and the timing and scoring. I also have internet access on the iPad, so I can actually see my results real time. And we've also added carbon fiber seats in the rear. Most people may know that the GTR is known as Godzilla, and my nickname's Dog, and my daughter calls me Junkyard, so we put in a Godzilla fighting a junkyard dog in the back seat, airbrushed. So those folks are sitting in the back seat with me all the time. I fought this car a lot, so I thought it was pretty appropriate for me to have a Godzilla in there shooting flames at me. And then in the trunk, we've got some things mounted. We've got an amp in the trunk. There's LED lights inside, blue. The other thing you can see is the livery on the outside. The color scheme dates back to the 60s and 70s. My dad used to race back then. This is his number on the car, and I wanted something that was appropriate to the era of the 60s and 70s, and so I went with it's called BRE livery. So it says Datsun on the side, even though this is a Nissan GTR. Yeah, I've been running this OPTIMA Streetcar Challenge series for a long time, 10 years plus. Actually, I competed in the first event, and then more recently I competed in the series. This year I actually did 6 out of 7 events, or 5 out of 6 events, something like that. So not only do I support and promote our brand to our customers and consumers, but I live the brand.